blessings, everyone. How are you today? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Perce BO. I am wearing my fluffy winter coat. It's a bit cold this morning, and I just kind of was a bit tired this morning also to make my smoothie. So since I didn't have the energy to, cut up the fruits and the vegetables, I decided I would just do my powdered smoothie. And this is it's called Amazing Grace, and that's the one I love. I'm using right now. I use different ones, but this particular time I am using the Amazing Grace superfoods greens. It's actually nice and it's very refreshing. Actually, when I drink it, I feel really good. And I always love adding a little bit of my powdered beets. So that's what I have this morning. It's not the best color because it has that nice I'll call it burnt red. Burnt red is like a brown with a little bit of it's a red with a hint of brown. That's what I would call it. I just make up my own colors. Make up the names for the colors. But anyway, let's drink to good health. Oh, this is really good. Even though it has a little bit of an aftertaste, it's so refreshing because the beets has apple flavor in it, so it makes it taste good. And it does give me a lot of energy. There's something about beets, if you have high blood pressure and things like that, drinking beets would really help you. And you want to definitely check your blood pressure level daily, twice a day, morning and night. Okay, so anyway, let's stay healthy together. Let's get into those dresses that we want to keep together, and be blessed in the Lord. Have a fantastic day in the Lord, and may God continue to be with us as we are trying to do good. Blessings. Have a fantastic day. Bye.